Meaning of first edition.
First edition.
First edition.
First edition.
First edition. First edition refers to the initial printing of a book or other publication. It typically indicates the earliest version of the work that was printed and made available to the public. First editions are often highly sought after by collectors, as they are considered to be the most authentic and original version of the text. The value of a first edition can vary widely depending on factors such as the rarity of the book, its condition, and its historical significance. Overall, first editions are important artifacts of literary history and cultural heritage.